Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go with just an easy app verification. You heard me right, there is no third party involved here, third application, just a simple, easy app verification. So the first thing I want you to do here is make sure you're up to date, meaning your Monopoly Go application or game should be up to date. Now disclaimer, I do not have Monopoly Go as of now, but I'm showing you how to update it in case you have one. Just go to the Play Store or your App Store. Simply open it up and basically click on update if you see it right here. Alright? Once it says open or logged in here, make sure that it is finished updating. Now moving forward, once you finish that one, you can see this application or website. Just simply go to coldcoupons.com. And basically on the search bar right there, look for Monopoly Go. So our purpose for this one is getting the coupon, meaning every day, every week, they give out free coupons. Just finish a task. Now, what are those tasks? Simple task gives you by watching ads, short advertisement videos, and basically simply clicking some reward points. So as you can see right there, for today, I think this has been for a week now. It's 100,000 free dice. If you click on get code for this one, once you completed the simple task, go in here on the monopolygo.com and simply enter the code right here. They're going to ask you for your logins, username, and user ID in Monopoly Go, where you can find in settings and basically have your free dice moving forward. You can repeat this process every week as long as the website from earlier gives you different coupons. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.